Hello, and it is time for another tech tip this week. I'm Susan Vincentz from techimaginations.net, and in the last several weeks we have been talking about ways to make your Google Drive experience a little more organized and efficient to access things that you try to use on a daily basis. So in today's tech tip, we're going to talk about how you can take a file and put it in multiple locations. So remember, Google Drive is web-based. So really all your files are just shortcuts to another website. So, notice I have the URL up here to where I am. I'm in my Google Drive, in this folder, and then the rest of this URL tells me I'm in this choice boards folder. Then when I click on this file right here, I get some different information. And then even if I open the file, it just creates a big long URL. Okay, so there are various things that we can do with that. Because this is just a web address, I can have this file in various locations within my Google Drive because all it is a shortcut to a website where that file is housed on Google. So what I can do here is I can click on this file, and on my keyboard I can hold down the Shift button and the letter Z. So I just clicked Shift and the letter Z on my keyboard, and I'm bringing this up. So this allows me to go to my drive. I can click this arrow and it's going to list all of my folders once they load. And let's say not only do I want this file within my choice boards folder, but maybe I also want it here in my e-learning folder to access in the event that we have to go remote and I want it as a resource. So I've clicked on it. I have pressed Shift and the letter Z on my keyboard. Now I'm navigating to the folder where I want to place this shortcut. So I'm clicking that arrow. Right now I'm in my e-learning folder and I just want to add the shortcut here. And it will ask if you are sure. Yes, you just want to add the shortcut. So now if I navigate out here to my drive and I go here to this e-learning folder and I scroll through, I should be able to now find that choice board file. There it is, tic-tac-toe choice menu, but it's in this folder. Now notice it has a little arrow there that's telling me it's a shortcut because the other file is in another location. So now if I go back to my drive, navigate back to my choice boards folder, that file is still there. So the original version of that file is in that choice board folder, and then we were able to press Shift and the letter Z on our keyboard and be able to create a shortcut in another location. So this allows you to have files in multiple locations, and if you change one in one place, it will change it in another because it is the same file. So that is another quick and easy, efficient way to use Google Drive to make your life a little bit easier and organized. If you need any assistance, please do not hesitate to reach out to me via email or check out my stuff on my YouTube channel or at techimaginations.net. See you soon. Bye-bye.